thing.
Yeah,
It's like a catch.
the storms have been slow movers, but that will be changing as we head into the weekend. And right now in the metro, not a bad Friday. The camera here gets taken over by a cloud over Sandia Peak for just a second, but then we just have a few clouds out there. So partly cloudy skies in the metro right now. And we're seeing some storms developing along the East Mountains near Estancia right now. But outside of that, here in the metro, we're dry and quiet for now, but we could see a pop-up storm later today. Then as we take a look further to our west, some storms developing just to the north of Interstate 40. And then further to our north along the Jemez Mountains, we have some showers and thunderstorms developing, and also around the northern mountains and the Sacramento Mountains near Ruidoso, we have some spotty showers. Some of these could drift into Alamogordo. These are slow movers right now, basically focused over the mountains of New Mexico. You can see the activity basically concentrated in western New Mexico, also along the central mountain chain and the northern mountains. Not much activity in eastern New Mexico, but all of us will have better chances for rain as we head into the weekend and especially next week. Right now in the metro, if you're heading out the door, temperatures sitting in the middle 80s at 84 degrees, winds out of the west-southwest at 7 miles per hour. The winds aren't too bad here in Albuquerque, but they're pretty strong in eastern and northeastern New Mexico. A sustained wind of 23 in Clayton, 21 in Las Vegas, and 22 in Tucumcari. A wind speed of 20 miles per hour in Gallup, and especially if you get under a thunderstorm, that will pick up the winds once again later on today. Current temperatures upper 70s to our north, lower 90s where you're seeing a lot of sunshine right now in Roswell, 91 degrees there, 93 in Carlsbad, and 91 degrees in Hobbs. Right now our temperatures really aren't that bad for this time of the year. Our average high is around 90, 91 degrees, so pretty seasonable for this time of the year. So for tonight, as we head into the evening hours, we'll have a chance for hit or miss showers and thunderstorms, especially for central and western New Mexico. The further east and southeast you go, the drier that you'll be, not only for today, but also as we head into your Saturday. This area of high pressure is going to be pushing off to the east. That will allow for some more moisture to move into at least the central and western half of the state, giving a chance for thunderstorms. And then by next week, we're talking about more moisture moving into the state as this area of low pressure moves in from the east over New Mexico, giving us widespread activity for much of next week. So some good news in the forecast as the rain continues as we head into the next work week. In southern Colorado for today, we'll be climbing into the 80s, 85 degrees in Cortez, 82 in Durango. In the northwest, we'll have a chance for some afternoon storms. Temperatures in the middle 80s for Gallup and Grants, upper 80s in Cuba, and 91 degrees will be your high in Farmington. For Tier C, Deming, temperatures in the middle to upper 90s, upper 80s in Silver City with a high temperature of 89 degrees with a chance for thunderstorms for the weekend. It's not going to be a complete washout, but especially once we get into the afternoon hours, that's when we'll see the best chance for thunderstorms. In the southeast, you're going to be on the drier side as we go into the weekend and also start the week, but a better chance for rain will arrive next week. Temperatures today in the upper 90s in Roswell and Carlsbad. And then in the northeast, we'll have a chance for thunderstorms this afternoon. Temperatures ranging from the 80s to the 90s around the area. And then over the northern mountains, we already have thunderstorms going, and that chance will continue for the rest of the afternoon into the evening with temperatures in the middle to upper 80s for most locations. In the East Mountains, the chance for thunderstorms for today, temperatures in the upper 80s to near 90 degrees in Edgewood. Here in the metro, we'll be climbing into the low to mid 90s with a chance for an afternoon or evening thunderstorm, but the best chance will be along the mountains today. A better chance for rain here in the metro arrives as we end the weekend and head into next week.
All right.